All right, today we're going to make the little brown bird. Now, of course, you could make him whatever color you want him to be. He could be purple or red or rainbow, who knows? But let's go ahead and get the shape down so that you can move on to your color. The first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a line towards the top of the paper, a little bit to the right of the center, that goes up and down. It almost looks like the top of a checker. Then we're going to take that line and we're going to go down and swoop back. Swoop back. Now come down to a point. We're going to take that point and we're going to come up to make our wing. So it's going to curve up like you would curve for a leaf. And there's our wing. Now we're going to come down and curve to make his stomach. So we're going to come down, we're going to come in a little bit at the neck, and then out a little bit more as we come down and stop right there. So we've stopped a little bit before the bottom of the wing, not a ton. Now we're going to make two big wide V's. 1, 2. Those are where his legs, his thighs are. So we're going to leave those. I do think I want to come and curve the top of his head a little bit more. You might want him to still have a nice kind of rectangular head, but if you decide you want to curve it, that's up to you. All right, next step's next. We're going to give him a little bump for front wing. You're starting about the same place as you are on that wing. And then we need to give him his tail. So from behind the wing, it'll come down, in, down, over, and back up. He needs some feet. So we'll come from the first leg, down, down, back and in, back and in, back and in. Now, the reason we're doing this leg first is because it's in front. So down, down, back and in, back and in, back and in. All right, next thing's next. We're going to come and do this little space on his head where you see the different coloring happening. So I'm going to come over, down with a little bit of a diagonal, swoop up, and stop. Now inside, I'm going to put a circle. That'll be the white part. And I'm going to put a smaller circle. That'll be my black part. And I'm going to leave a little room to remind myself that I want a reflection there in his eye. For beak, we're going to make it curved just a little bit. So it's going to come out and down. And then it's going to start halfway there, out. And then we'll come underneath and come out. This is curved. He'd be a type of bird that was looking at cracking seeds or cracking different things like that to eat. And I like to give him feathers on the front or dots. That's really up to you. You can see some dots on this one, so I think I'm going to do some feathers just as a kind of change up. Because those of you who have ever done birds in the classroom with us know that birds look incredibly different. They have so much going on that there's not just one kind of bird. There's not just a single thing. That's part of what makes them so infinitely cool to do for projects. So I'm going to get myself a bird. And there we go. Now I've got myself ready to Sharpie. All right, so a reminder as we're going and Sharpieing, should your Sharpie line be sketchy? No. Even though your other line was sketchy, that's because you were drawing, you were thinking it out. Now you should be creating a nice smooth line, as smooth as you possibly can. different people have different ways of going around it. So, like, if you're somebody who goes around the entire outside first, or if you're somebody who does everything in a section first, that's okay. Just remember to think about what is in front if you have things that are overlapping. I'm going to get his feet. And another foot. Now we'll come get his beak. His headspace. His eye. And I'm going to go ahead and color the black in because the Sharpie gives me that nice solid black. Get myself my conglomeration of feathers up here. A conglomeration means a large grouping. And then I will come and get the feather definition that I have over here in my wing. So that I've got that done. All right, so it's ready to erase and add color. See you guys next time. Enjoy.